Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine. You need to be grounded to avoid static damage. Once the side panel is off, identify the Pcie card and the small retention clip or latch at the end of the slot. This is what keeps the card seated. Make sure any backplate screws are removed so the card can pivot. Now position your fingers near the card edge and the clip so you can release tension in the next step. With one hand, stabilize the card by pressing it gently toward the motherboard to relieve connector pressure. This prevents damage when the clip moves. Then use your thumb or a plastic tool to depress or slide the retention clip in its designed direction, toward the slot rear or outward depending on the motherboard. Once you feel the clip disengage, keep holding the card down and prepare to pivot it out of the bracket. Move deliberately and avoid jerking motions. After the clip releases, tilt the card out of the rear bracket slightly and pull it straight back from the slot while keeping it level. Then set it on an anti-static surface. If the clip refuses to move, inspect for nearby screws, cable interference, or debris and clear them before trying again. If the clip snaps, you can secure the card with its mounting screw as a temporary fix and make a plan to replace the retention mechanism to ensure long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.